Hi. Today's video, I will be making pizza from stuff I got from Walmart. I got a pizza crust. This was literally the first crust I saw. I was walking down the aisles and this was like in the frozen section almost. I got cheese. I have mozzarella. That's the one that actually goes on pizza. I got sharp cheddar. And I got Fiesta blend. This might actually, I might put this on the pizza because they got a bunch of different cheeses on there. All these are the Great Value brands. I couldn't find no other pizza crust because I couldn't find the bread in Walmart. I think they moved it because I would have got all Great Value stuff. I got pizza sauce and I got pepperoni. I have a pizza pan. Look, this is do for now. So I heard when it comes to like making, like putting the pizza sauce on there, you don't want to put too much on there because you don't want your pizza soggy. But in all honesty, this damn first real quick. Okay. Trying to make sure what I'm doing is being shown. Well, I seen somebody like pour it on there first and then like stir it in. So there's a lot of pepperoni. Now on to the cheese. So yeah, you don't want clumps of cheese. Mozzarella topped on. Now I'm gonna add more pepperoni on top. And now I'll top it off with the Fiesta blend. Now I'm transferring it to the stove. Okay, so this is how it came out. Should y'all see that? It is nice and cheesy. And the crust don't taste bad. Next time I'm gonna use a different crust.